Hello and welcome to Nikki T's Kitchen. Today I want to go ahead and juice some celery juice. So today is just celery, pretty simple. You have a masticating juicer, and some celery. Pretty simple. Let's get started. So first we're going to take the celery out of the bag and wash our celery. You need to make sure you wash all of your celery because it has a lot of dirt on it. So I'm going to get started with that, with washing the celery. Okay, so now all the celery is washed. I used this little tool, this little brushing tool to help clean the celery because celery is pretty dirty. I'm also going to cut off some of the pieces that I just couldn't get off that I don't like that look like they have dirt on it. Like this one right here. Looks like it has a lot of dirt on it. So for me, I'm gonna just cut that off. I'm not gonna use those pieces. I just have a couple of them like that. I also like to cut off the ends of the top because they too just look nasty to me. So I'm just going to cut those ends off. There we go. All right, now we have our celery prepped and ready to go. Let me throw these away. Okay, so now we have our juicer. I am going to put the cups at the end of my juicer. All right, we have 1 cup that catches the juice and 1 cup that catches the fiber, all the pulp of the juice. So let's get started. Everything's in. We're gonna start. We're gonna start our juice. So here we go. Okay, now that we've juiced all of our celery juice, we're going to take it out. We're going to pour it into our cup. All right, now you have your celery juice. You made a really good amount. Celery juice.